Hey guys, we're doing another video, and this time we are doing my NBA 2K16. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay. And then NBA, log in, and let's go to cooking. And as you can see, I got 7 wins and 2 losses. And I go right to here. If you play 10 games, you get 2,000 RP, and I already have 100. So we're gonna go into this, and we're going to get the 1 win, and then we'll go get a pack. Defense, right there. I don't care if I win or not. But yeah, get into this. And I don't really care about winning this match or getting a good card because, well, it would be cool, but I play this game. It's just not as much as the other supercards. Like, I'm gonna do NHL. I really like that game. I like WWE and NHL. I like basketball too. That's my second favorite sport, but I don't like the game that much. But I might as well have it because I'll make 2 videos a week on this. And for NHL, I'll make 4 in a week, and then for WWE, I'll make 5. Ooh, a rare, nice. So we'll do 3 NBA a week, 4 NHL a week, and 5 WWE a week. So yeah, let's go. Kind of excited to see what I can get. So we're gonna get this player pack right here. We got 2,100 credits, so let's get it. Okay, let's buy it. Let's hopefully we can get something good. And boom. Oh, nice, a super rare. A contract rookie, okay. A player color, and more after this specialization upgrade. Okay, level 1. I don't really know what that does. And last but not least, contract rookie. And yeah, the pack not bad. So let's go see what we got here and quit game. Let's go to edit lineup. Drop here. Okay, he's a point guard. So swap. Oh my god, he goes up by so much. So that guy's a center. We'll move this guy over here, center, and then we'll do boom. What was the other guy? Point guard. Okay. So this is our deck lineup. So yeah, 7-3, not bad. So I'm gonna go back and end it. It's gonna be a shorter episode because I just really want to do that pack opening. So yeah, guys, bye, and I'll see you later.